Today we are going to learn how to create a safe and the secured Zoom meeting. So click on the Zoom app. After login you will get a screen like this. Then click the button schedule. So type the meeting name. How to create safe and secured Zoom meeting. This is the topic. So select the date, maybe tomorrow, and the time. It's 11 a.m. So duration 11 to 12:30 p.m. So generally the free Zoom meetings are 40 minutes duration. So this is the time zone. If you want to continue the same meeting repeatedly, so select this option every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, every year, like that. If you don't want, go with the none. So this is one of the security features. Don't enable this. This is your personal mail Zoom meeting ID. Don't share it, and don't use this personal meeting ID for the general meetings. This meeting ID you can use it instantly with your friends and relatives. So unplanned meetings you can use this, but if you are going for the general public, so don't use that. And this one, it will generate automatically, the Zoom will. So that is the better option than the personal meeting ID. And the password must be enabled. Definitely you must have a password for the people who want to join your Zoom meeting. And host video on. If you want the participants to join with their video on, then click this button. Otherwise it is in a disabled mode. If you click this, all the participants will join with the video on. And this is adding to the calendar. If you want, you can add it. So there are advanced options. What are those advanced? Allow the join before the, don't enable this, because if you enable this one, the participants will join before the host. So don't do this, keep it as it is. Enable waiting room. So this is important. This must be in enabled position, because if it is enabled, the participants will come and wait there in the room. So then you, as a host, you need to check them, who are they, and check their name. Then you can allow them or admit them into the room. So this is the second security feature of the Zoom. So automatically record. If you want to record the Zoom meeting, click this one, and otherwise disable this one. So but the recording is possible only with the computer, laptop or the desktop. This feature is not working in the mobiles. Then click on the done button. So your meeting is created now. So now you want to share the password and the Zoom link like this, and you can select this. So copy paste this entire message. Otherwise you can share only these two things: meeting ID and the password, and the topic, and the date, time. So these things are important than the sharing with the link. If you share the link with anyone else, even though there is a password and meeting ID, if they have a Zoom app installed and they already logged in, they can directly join into your meeting without this password and other things. So for security reasons, don't share this meeting link. Better to share them meeting ID and the password, and the time and the date and the title of the meeting. That is enough.